In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Trello account. Whether you're trying to retrieve an accidentally deleted board or just aiming to restore a previous version, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Now let's get started. First, head on over to your rewind page. This is the starting point for all the actions we'll take today, as it provides the necessary tools to manage your integration settings. Once you're there, look for the integrations section. Clicking on this will reveal a list of services that Rewind supports. Next, from the list of integrations, select Trello. This will bring you to a page dedicated to managing your Trello integrations, where you'll see your account information. Now click on your Trello account name. This will open up further options related to your Trello account. On this page, look for the button labeled Advanced Restore. Selecting this will initiate the process of restoring any elements of your Trello account that may need recovery. After clicking Advanced Restore, you'll see a section titled Board to Restore. This is where you'll specify which board you want to work with. To do this, click on the drop-down menu and a list of boards that you can restore should appear. Choose the board that you wish to recover. Once you've selected the board, you'll need to decide which specific time and date you want to restore from. This can be crucial if you're trying to recover from a particular point in time before any changes were made that you wish to undo. After you've made your selection, click the button that says Restore Items. This is where the process truly begins. A confirmation dialog will appear. It will ask you to verify your decision, so go ahead and click on Yes, Restore. This step ensures that you're certain about moving forward with the restoration process. Once you've confirmed, you should see a notification that says Advanced Restore in Progress. This message indicates that the system is now working to restore your board to the time and date you've selected. Depending on the size and complexity of the board, this may take some time, so patience is key here. And that's it, you've successfully initiated the restoration of your Trello account using Rewind. Feel free to navigate back to Trello to ensure that everything looks as expected. If needed, this process can be repeated as necessary for other boards or other previous states. Restoring data is a simple but powerful way to recover essential information and maintain continuity in your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one. See you next time.